As I speak to you today, the Philippines faces one of the greatest tests in its history. The global pandemic has raced through our country, destroying the lives of people, of families, of entire communities. And if we have learned anything in the time of COVID, it is that each of us, no matter our station, is in need of the help of our fellow Filipinos. We must face the challenge as one country, as one people. Together, we must work towards a shared vision of our country through COVID and beyond COVID, to find a way through this crisis with a common goal, a vision to guide us and to lead us. I know that it is this manner of unifying leadership that can lead us through this crisis, get our people safely back to work, for all of us to begin to live our lives once again. And that is why I am today announcing my intention to run for the presidency of the Philippines in the upcoming May 2022 elections. I will bring that form of unifying leadership back to our country. Hangad kong ibalik ang mapagkaisang paglilingkod ng magbubuklod sa ating bansa. Tayo'y magkaisa at sama-sama tayong babangon mula sa hagupit na pandemya, babangon mula sa paglulugmok ng ating ekonomiya. Let us bring Filipinos back to one another in service of our country, facing the crisis and the challenges of the future together. Join me in this noblest of causes, and we will succeed. Sama-sama tayong babangon muli. Thank you.